Hello students, myself Rakesh Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor in English at Government College Rajgarh. In this video lecture, we will study Kamala Das' famous poem A Hot Noon in Malabar. The poem A Hot Noon in Malabar is taken from the collection of poems entitled Summer in Calcutta, which was published in 1965. It deals with Kamala Das' happy childhood days spent in her grandmother's house in Malabar. It is full of pathos, which shows Kamala Das' loss of happy and peaceful days of childhood, which she spent in the loving and caring company of her grandmother. Now she is living in a metropolitan city far away from Malabar. She presents a beautiful contrast between the past and present life. Her childhood life in Malabar were very happy and attractive, but now her city life is not that happy and pleasant. Kamala Das shifted from Malabar to city after her marriage, but she is not satisfied with her present life. The action of the poem tosses between memory and desire, between nostalgia and estrangement. And now I'm going to start the poem. At the very beginning of the poem, the poet writes, "This is a noon for beggars with winning voices, a noon for men who come from hills with parrots in a cage, and fortune cards, all strained with time." And the difficult word meanings are winning voices means long drawn voices. Stained means became dirty. All stained with time means became dirty and ravaged by long time use. And the explanation of these lines is that it is the opening section of the poem A Hot Noon in Malabar. It dramatizes the tragedy of her marital life in which she has lost all her freedom and identity. It is almost a torture for her to live far away from her parental house in Malabar, where she was loved and respected. In these lines, the poetess is reminded of her parental house in Malabar during the hot noon of the summer season. It was the time of the arrival of beggars who begged by raising their jarring, disturbing voices. People used to come from hill with caged parrots and with stained dirty cards to predict the fortunes of the local inhabitants. Thus, the poetess is in a stage of nostalgia which shows her unhappiness with her present life. It is a stage of nostalgia which brings her face to face with her ancestral house at Malabar. She has imaginatively recreated the live picture of the hot noon in Malabar, filled with life and multiple activities. With this, it is the end of this video lecture. Thank you.